Good morning, guys. Welcome to another episode of DIY Mechanic. It's a beautiful sunny Sunday. So, I've wanted to do a couple of episodes, but it's just that I had so many car problems I didn't have time, and some of them, unfortunately, I had managed to fix, some I couldn't fix because it was just overwhelming trying to get a solution of which I couldn't. So we all know the French make nice cars, but when it comes to electronics, it's a problem. So this satnav, I've googled. I mean, it's been, I think, a year and a half I had this problem with my satnav. It was working fine, and then all of a sudden it died. And the only thing it says is go to your local dealer.com, and unfortunately this domain name is non-existent or nothing happens, so I don't think the website does exist anyway. But this car is 2016 model, so yeah, it's that old. So I've seen a lot of Renault models because I drive the Koleos, but I've seen other models whereby they have the same problem where the radio just dies. And a lot of the solutions, they said you need to press the power button on, press it in for a couple of times, it will reset. That didn't work. They said you must remove the battery terminal. I tried that didn't work. Apparently when you remove the battery terminal and you leave the headlights on, it will drain the power that's in the system, and it should now reset to factory settings, but that didn't work. Some said you must press the home button for 5 times. That didn't work. I basically just tried everything that I could find as a solution on the internet, but if you are in the same situation as me or everybody else, the only advice I can give you is go get an aftermarket radio, because this cannot be fixed. Let me tell you now, unless you go to another person who has the same model as you, and then you strip off the radio and you put it here, but chances are you're gonna end up having the same problem. I saw, if you go to AliExpress, I saw an Android double DIN radio for this 2016 model Renault Koleos, and I would advise you go buy it. It will save you a lot of problems, and the good thing is at least it will be something that you're familiar with, with extra features like your CarPlay, your Android Auto, and so on. So yeah, that's the advice that I wanted to give you in terms of this radio. In case you come up to this video online thinking there's a solution, there is no solution. The only solution I can give you right now is get an aftermarket Android radio, and then your problem will be solved. I mean, it took me 2 years. I even went to the dealership. The dealership could not help me. They told me I must contact TomTom, and TomTom told me that no, their partnership with Renault ended years ago. So yeah, that's what it is, and you, as a customer, you gotta deal with it. So thank you for watching, and all the best.